Hi guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Travel Vlogs. Okay, today we are coming to Jurong Bird Park. Right, so to celebrate Jurong Bird Park's 50th anniversary, I think they have opened for 50 years already. So we're going to show you how it looks like, okay, on the inside, okay, and to tell you a secret, it's my first time coming here. I mean, when I was a student, I always keep trips like this. Right, it's my first time coming here. Okay, let's hope that it'll be fun. Right, so without further ado, we're going to show you how is the procedure. Right, so what we did was, okay, we actually purchased the tickets online. Right, and we actually make our way here. Okay, the car park is just over there, just outside of the bird park. Okay, there's a lot of lots. Okay, don't have to worry. Alright, so we're going to show you how we actually get the tickets. Okay, because they have to send you an email. Okay, and you get it, and it's a e-ticket or something. Okay, so we're going to show you. So let's go. So before we start, okay, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll show you more of these trips. Okay, coming up. Okay, so let's go. So right now we're going for our first show, okay, which is the High Flyer show. Okay, the show is at 11 AM and 3 PM. Okay. Very easy transaction. Okay, you don't have to take all the trouble. so right now lunch break. Okay, we actually went to the Hawk Cafe, okay, which is the cafe outside the bird park. Okay, and good news, you can actually come out of the bird park, okay, have your meal, and then re-enter again. Just show the ticket, okay, in your phone, so you can re-enter. So you can actually have the food outside also. So I'm going to show you what we eat for lunch today. And now the great migration starts. The flamingos all start walking after an alpha male started his journey from here to here. And the whole clan is moving. Whoa, so majestic. And now they suddenly change their mind and they are walking back. The alpha male is nowhere to be seen. I mean, he's one of them, but we don't know which one, because they all look the same.
Everyone will like and subscribe this video, yeah? Yeah.
Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the video. Okay, we reached here about 10 plus. Yep, and now it's 3 plus. Okay, we are tired. Okay, we're going out for looking for a place for our dinner soon. Alright, so in total, right, we went to 2 places that you need to top up. Okay, which is the animal show and the penguin place.
Yeah.
Okay, we did not go for everything. Okay, because if not, it adds up to, you know, maybe a person $20 again. Alright, so I hope you guys like this episode. Okay, if you like this, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yep, and by the way, let's say if you know of anything interesting you want us to go and find out more for you in Singapore, let us know, okay? Yep, remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you!
Bye bye!